Hello guys, this is Voice Tech Engineering Drawing YouTube channel for the diploma, ITI or engineering students which this subject is applicable to them. So today I am going to explain you about the chapter of projection of planes. In that I am explaining you the second problem on equilateral triangular lamina. Okay, equilateral triangular lamina. Okay. In this problem, before starting my problem, please watch my videos till the end, otherwise you will not understand this concept. With my basic skills and my basic things I am explaining you with a simple way, so watch my videos till the end. So now I am explaining you, starting my problem. An equilateral triangular lamina of sides 35 mm is resting with one of its corners on HP. The surface of the lamina is inclined at 45 degree to HP and the side opposite to the corner on which the lamina rests is inclined at 30 degree to VP. Okay, so to draw this, you will have an XY line as I have done before. Okay, and this is the vertical plane VP. This is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane HP. So you have to draw the three projection 1, 2, 3. Okay. So an equilateral, before starting you have to start from here. Here you have to draw, before starting you have to see three things. What? Three things. First is plane and that plane side and on what it is resting. Okay. Three things you have to see. Which first is plane. Which plane it is? In the equilateral triangle. Means you have to draw triangle here. First is triangle and the triangle side is 35 mm. Triangle 35 mm side is resting with one of its corner. Means your triangle is resting on corner on HP. Okay, and on HP you have to draw. How to draw the triangle with on corner with having 35 mm side. So take your drafter, measure it, 35 mm draw it. Okay, then after take your divider, measure that 35 mm equally. Then after to take a mark from that one end and then on another end. Okay, the two arcs where it is meeting, you have to join the two ends with that meeting arcs like this. Okay, if you can rub that arc, this is the equilateral triangle. Now you have to label it A, B, C. Then after from A, B, C, you have to take the projection lines till XY line. Till that XY line means A, B, C. Then after how much this line is you are having, that line you have to darken and this line is called lamina, triangular lamina. Okay, here you have to do a labeling. So to do the labeling, you have to see this plane from downwards. Okay, to see this plane. First I am seeing this A. A is visible from downwards. So write it A dash, and B is also visible from downwards, so B dash. Then remaining C is not invisible, the C point is not visible. For the invisibility you have to write in bracket. Okay, now the first projection is complete and you have to show the dimension of this triangle side. How much it is in the question? 35 mm, so 35. This is the first projection. Now till here the solution completes. Now for the second projection, this in the question carefully see it and do. The surface of the lamina is inclined at 45 degree to HP. Means to HP what the angle it is giving 45 degree, that is of second projection. Means on HP is giving, you have to draw the angle on VP. How much angle? 45 degree. So to put a point, how much angle? 45 degree. With your protractor measure it. How much? 45, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Put a point. On that point and this point, take a light line. Then with your divider, measure the lamina. Why I am taking this lamina means in the question he said, the surface of the lamina is inclined at 45 degree. This lamina is 45 degree inclined. So I am doing 45 degree. Dark that lamina. Till how much it is having, then remaining line you can rub it. Okay, this lamina I have copied according to the 45 degree angle. I am showing the angle also, 45 degree, and the labeling should be also be same, A dash, C dash, B dash. Then after, you have to take the projection lines from each point A, C, B. Okay, now from here, projection lines B, each point. Okay, now these points and these points where it is meeting, you have to put a point and label it. A, where it is meeting here, A, B, B, C, like this you have to do. Now don't worry to do anything, just you have to draw the lines from A to B, B to C, C to A. The second projection completes. Okay, till here the solution completes. Now for the third projection, carefully read the question and understand it. And the side opposite to the corner on which the lamina rests is inclined at 30 degree to VP. The angle which is given to 30 degree to VP, that VP, you have to draw that angle 30 degree downwards here. Okay, to draw that, first you draw the angle 30 degree, put a point and keep your protractor, take the angle 30 degrees, and that point and this point you have to draw a line till downwards. Okay, then after, this angle is of 30 degree, I am showing you 30 degree angle also. Okay, now you have to copy which we have to copy this plane here. Okay, which side you have to copy here, so carefully see. And the side opposite to the corner on which the lamina rests, when this lamina is resting on XY line, B dash means this is the corner opposite, the side opposite to this corner opposite this side we have to copy here, and you have to copy this whole plane. Okay, that is the thing in the question. He said, measure this side, put a point on that point, arc it, make an arc and draw the line, how much you are getting with that arc. Means this point means this is the A and this is the C. Remaining B point you have to copy with the divider only. So measure this A to B distance and C to B distance will be same. So with the end, draw an arc here, and from that C end you have to put an arc. Now you have to dark it with that arc. Okay, now this triangle plane is copied here. Now you have to take the projection lines. This point is B, from each point, from A, B and C, and from here also, from this plane, A dash, C dash, B dash. Okay, now with these points and these points, where it is meeting, you have to put a point and labeling it. A, where it is meeting, here, this is A dash. B, where it is meeting, this is B dash. C, where it is meeting, here, C dash. Okay, so you have to join the lines, you have to draw the lines dark from A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to A dash, like this. This is the third projection complete. This is the first projection, second projection and third projection. Okay, so after drawing this question, it is the important note that many students forget to do the dimensioning according to the question which is given in the question, that is 35 mm, 45 degree angle, 30 degree angle. You have to show this also, 35 mm side, 45 degree and 30 degree also. So don't forget to do this also dimensioning. So carefully do this. So this problem is finished, or it may be of 10 marks or 15 marks for the different branches. Okay. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe, and please comment on this video. And many more problems I am uploading on my channel. This is the Wise Tech Engineering Drawing YouTube channel by Muhammad Abdul Mahbub. Thank you guys.